I ordered some things from Shein. Now let me tell you about this thing. I was not I was not going to order it the way my hair is looking. You just ignore the hair. I was not going to order these things from Shein. Oh. You know those click and buy stuff. I yeah. Eh? Leave the key at the door. Leave the key for me at the door. My son. My son, every time I'm doing video, if you have watched me, you will see him. See. Okay, my love, can you go and put all the curtains on the couch so that they're not falling on the floor, okay? I'm coming to play something for you. Is that alright? Good boy. Ron, go and pick all the curtains. I was not going to order these things because I left them in my cart for a while. But that night, I was just lying down. I was lying down on my bed, relaxing and picking up some things to put them in the basket until they are no much. And all of a sudden, I just clicked on the this thing like checkout or pay. So it alerted my husband, and my husband approved the payment because I'm using my husband PayPal. Yeah, right. To my greatest surprise, I noticed that they sent me a message that my payment was successful. I'm now wondering, I did put my card. How did it go on? Like, how did it went? And then I forgot that my husband actually um, told me to use his PayPal for stuff like that because I forgot my password for PayPal. So my husband gave me his own PayPal details, so it was there. And he later on, I called him. I said, I don't know. I have not put details. And then, but they told me my payment was successful. So I don't know what happened. He said he saw the notification on his phone. I asked him, did you approve the payment? He said, yes. He thought I was buying something. So he just approved it. I said, why? It's a mistake that I made. I asked him to cancel, but this man did not cancel he did not cancel the orders. Only for me to receive another email the next day telling me that they want to bring that my orders. I received email the next day that my orders were shipped out. I asked him, why did you not cancel it? He said he thought I needed the thing, so he left it. I needed them, but they're not like pressing. Do you understand? But I just said thank you, sir. I was not prepared. So let's see the things that are in here because some of the things I was not going to buy them. It's just like I'm keeping them there so that in the future, if I want to um, look for that thing, I'll just check my basket. They should be there. That was why I put them because I might forget the name. So I put them in there. My husband did not fancy. So yeah, just open it up. And if I love something about Shein is the fact that they wrap things well. Hey, God. This one is this is the first thing I actually got actually. And it's supposed to be for my um kitchen light. This is like a kitchen LEDs. Oh, movie so that I'll not misplace the things. This is how it looks like. But if you ask me, this was not a pressing need. Look at that. Look. So in the night it will shine. This is so beautiful. You know when you're cooking so much food, this is very good for it. You just place it there. When you're done cooking, you remove it. Your gas is still new. So this is gas smoke protector. I am loving this. The quality doesn't look bad, but I wasn't expecting it to look the way it is. And yeah, then the next thing I bought is this bag. That's the picture. The next thing I bought is this bag here. These are for putting things, snacks, anything you want to put here, popcorn. Just make when you want to make something fancy, especially with kids and all that. So I bought this. What's this? Ah, then the next thing is this tooth scraping stuff. Oh, stuff that I bought. It looks nice. I bought 4. My baby will not need it, just myself, husband, and children. 4 of that. These are affirmations for my son. Am I the only one who realized that boys do not really have so much affirmative kind of decoration for rooms? Or is it I don't know how to search it? This is affirmations for my son's room. I don't want to spoil the thing. It comes with the glue that you stick it on the wall to like, this is good. Then, did I buy drum? I said it's drum. I bought this um so this is the picture. Actually, there's no need opening the things. Exactly. I'll just put the pictures and that's it. So the thing came with screw. Am I supposed to have screwed this in? That means I'm not going to be able to put it there. This is for where is your head open? Okay. See it here. This is it. It's for putting tissue. My tissue is always standing and looking at me. So this is how it is. Or should I just take it upstairs for my toilet instead? Because I can't. When I saw this, I thought it was glue. Okay. There's actually a place for glue. This is the one. You can either glue it or you can put it with screw. I ordered these trolley tires. I love this because whenever I'm going out with my baby's trolley and we come out, I kept a bucket outside my house so that it will yeah, this is good. These are trolley tires. Okay, it even has this, so you just put your trolley like this and you glue it on. The tire stays in here. It's still going when you come back. Then the next thing is what? Oh yeah. Is this toilet cleaner? This is a toilet cleaner, okay? Shit. You just place them in your toilet and they clean the toilet up, and this is it. Like I said, when you go to the toilet, you have to lift it with your hand. So I bought this one so that you hold this instead and pull it open instead of using your hand to lift the toilet up. I bought one of it. Let's see how it's going to be. If it's nice, we'll buy another one. This is supposed to be a butterfly, but what kind of butterfly is this? Bikokwana. See. What kind of butterfly is this? Last is something that I don't know. Let me open this thing because I don't even know what it is. The other thing. What is this? Oh, okay. I now know what this is. So, my kids always, what my kids do every day is mixing up clothes in their drawers. So I bought these labels for their clothes. Yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. Is there any other thing? Let me try and fix it. I think that is everything I ordered. Thank you.